Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And boy, I have a bunch of dolly mail. Some of it is stuff that I've ordered and some of it is some happy mail from Marna over at Dolls Rescued right there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Should I put them all together in one video? I don't want to make this super long. Let's see. I guess let me start with Marna's package and take it from there. I can always do a second video if necessary. Typically, I like to try to keep my videos no more than 10 minutes when it's something like this. So let's see what's in the baggies. All right, so I have a couple of dollies hanging out with me today. And yeah, if you have watched my channel at all, then you probably know that I do lots of collabs, and one of my collab buddies is Marna at Dolls Rescued. And so I'm not sure if this package has to do with some collabs that she and I are starting to work on for 2022 or not, but let's just see. In fact, I don't know if I'm supposed to show you this stuff, so let's see. All right, so this a pretty box with her signature wrapping paper. So cool. We've got a simplicity pattern for an 11.5-inch doll. Now this is for a Barbie style fashion doll. This does not fit a Blythe, but I think if I remember correctly, one of the collabs I'm supposed to use this for. And honestly, I have never, come to think of it, I have never actually used a regular, commercial pattern like this for any Barbie dolls. Typically, I have some for Barbie dolls, but it's usually been just kind of like stuff I've thrown together. So, interesting. All right, well, more on that in the future. And here, I have no idea what this could be. Marna and Darren are always so generous to all of us in the YouTube dolly world. Pretty box. Try not to rip this. I could reuse this. This is pretty sparkly paper. Oh, beautiful box. Huh, okay. Happy mail. All right, open card last. Happy mail. Have a wonderful Valentine's. Open packages in order of numbers. All right, so I can't open this. I want to open it. Okay, don't open this. And I got to open these in order of the numbers. All right, so this says number 1. Let's get everything out of here, and then I can go from there. And, oh, this looks like a little sleigh. How interesting. Okay, got me. My curiosity is piqued, to say the least. 2. This must be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Definitely going to reuse that box. I like to use boxes for storage, so very cool. And all right, so go with numero uno. Numero uno. Oh my goodness, did she? Oh, girl, oh my gosh. They make the... She has the cutest customized... I can't believe she sent me one of these. Oh my gosh. Girls, Darren, Marna, I mean... Oh, look at that. Marna, thank you so much. What does it say? Her name... Shelly. Oh. So she's been customizing these teeny tiny little mini dolls, and I've just been blown away that she can work on such a itsy bitsy scale. I mean, and look at this beautiful hair on this. They actually have pole rings, so they have sleepy eyes. And I mean, I have one of these dolls. I have actually 2. I have one that when I bought it, I got it from AliExpress, and it was busted, and I never fixed it because I couldn't open her up. And then I had another one that came, and she's just, but I don't have a customized one. I mean, just the idea of opening up this and putting these these strings in there. I'm just, oh, look at her eyelids. Okay. Oh, look at the little puppy eyelids. That's a little puppy dog. Oh, and the little paws. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm worried I'm going to break it or something. Oh, and okay, so the pole. Oh, a little bicycle. She knows I also bike. Oh my gosh. And then her name's on here, and there's a little, 2021. That is super cute. So okay, so you can change, she can pull, so that one opens it and one closes them. How cute. And that little dress. I mean, she always jokes about how she, kind of slaps stuff together and everything, but she really doesn't. I mean, to work on this scale and be able to make something this detailed, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wowee. Okay, open your eyes, girl. I mean, wow. All right, so I guess I have to open everything else too, but I'm just like totally amazed. And look at the blue eyes on her. All right, so Shelly, let me set Shelly aside here. This is number 2. Oh, a bunch of goodies for her. Really? Oh, look at, oh my goodness. And it even comes on a little hanger. Is that too precious or what? Look at all these little sweet, a little crown. Oh, wow. Oh, another little dress on these tiny hangers. Some more hangers. Oh my goodness. Some more clothes. She makes these microscopic pants for them. I mean, again, I don't know how she... Look at that. That's a pair of pants, believe it or not. Look at that. Look how tiny. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun. Oh, and here's a little top. So she's got these little outfits, and these are interchangeable. Looks like a little skirt, I think. Some more of these sparkly little pants. Again, I have no idea how she is able, she must have to hand do this because it's just so tiny. Looks like we've got some more headbands and little, a bunch of headbands and little, what do you call it? More hangers, clothespins. So she's got some stash here, man. She definitely has stuff. So that's the thing with these little tiny dolls, and one reason I really didn't get into the mini or the petite Blythes, or even the middies for that matter, because when you do that, you open up this whole new, can of worms when it comes to accessories and clothing and everything for them. But, she's got like a little wardrobe now. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. I mean, wow. Oh, and a stand. Very cute. She sent me a stand for my little mini doll that I have for Christmas. And now this doll has one for Valentine's. Just a little note here. Different size hooks depending on clothes doll is wearing. Oh, okay. So see, there's more than one of those. Okay. All right. Okay. So obviously I'm going to have to put her in that at the end here. All right. So number 4. Oh, how cute. Oh, little shoes. Oh my goodness. And this is a good idea because I would totally lose these. I mean, all kinds of itty bitty. Again, so she's all set. She has all kinds of little shoes in there. Oh, cute. Don't lose them now, Tammy. And they actually look cute too in there. All right, so cool. So she has dresses, pants, little top, shoes. All right, number 5. Oh, cute little headbands. These are like kitty ones. Cute. Oh, and there's regular ones. Some with little ears on them. Ha 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 ha. Very cute. All right, don't lose those, Tammy. All right, 2 more packages, guys. Oh, how sweet. She has a little puppy dog. Oh, how adorable. Oh, cute. This would look cute with my Cruella dolly, too. Yeah, in fact, maybe I'll have her hang out with Cruella because Cruella's still wearing her red dress. Very, you know, and a perfect scale here. Look at this. Perfect scale. All right, little puppies. One more. Another stand. This one says, and an everyday stand. Okay, cool. That makes sense. Yeah. So when she changes, yeah, and that way, when I put a different dress on her, she can have the different stand. How nice. So actually, I've got like really 2 of these dolls now that I can actually do stuff with. And they can share these. In fact, hold on. Let me get the other dolly. I'll be right back. So here's the one that I had originally. She's not customized, as you can tell, but they sent me this cute little stand and this little adorable dress for her. So now she's got a buddy. Yay! All right, so let me get this girl in her stand, and I'll be right back. Shelly. Oh, I forgot. Now I can read the card. Aw, how sweet. All right. I hope you like Shelly and her pearls. Yes, her pearls on her cords. I know you like beach themed blondes. Yes, I do. She's definitely in that theme. Her eyelids and dog have a nod to one of our collabs. Oh yes, for sure. If you watched, she and I did a collaboration challenge where we took a Neo-size Blythe doll and turned her into Cruella de Vil. So yes, I totally got that. When you change her shoes, the blue tack needs to stay on her feet. And if you want her to hold anything, blue tack works pretty well too. Oh, that is good to know. All right, so now let me put her on her stand, take some pictures. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? All right, everybody. Oh my goodness. Seriously, look how cute everybody is together. And yeah, now I can keep that little box full of all these little parts and pieces here for my mini dolls now. Yeah, I just haven't really done a lot with these dolls because I don't know, they kind of intimidate me because of their size. But now I can dress them because I have cute little dresses for them. Thank you so much, Marna and Darren. I really appreciate it. You guys really are just too generous and so sweet. Everybody in YouTube land loves you so much. If you guys have not checked out Marna's channel, Dolls Rescued, you definitely need to. As the title goes, I mean, she is a doll collector, but she also rescues a lot of dolls and does a lot of doll crafting and that sort of thing. So definitely, if you are a doll collector and a lover of doll crafting, head over to her channel and check it out if you haven't already. Thank you guys for stopping by. I always appreciate a thumbs up, and please have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.